Good morning, Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher, Woodbine Modern School. In previous videos, we discuss chart and formula and function, number systems. Today's discuss animation system. Now, first what is animation? Animation is a sequence of image, sound, videos, effect, as like cartoon, Motu Patlu, Hatim, these type Balvir, these type of serials used for animation, and this is videos for learning animation videos. Now, animation means sequence of image, sequence of videos, which videos is not real but look like real videos. Now, today's we discuss about animation videos. Animate is a powerful animation software package developed by Adobe Systems. Animate provides versatile and easy way to create animation that consist of image, sound, and videos with various effects. Animate is a vector-based programs, which means that graphics created in it can be scaled to any size without compressing the quality. Animate is extremely used for developing high interactive website, online advertisement, computer games, and content of various mobile devices. Playing movies in any browsers. In one of the best feature of Animate. Some now about Adobe System. Adobe System is a company that provides lot of software for web designing, image processing, multimedia software, and it is mostly used in web developers, used for web developer for website creating, dynamic and static both page, because dynamic page needs to flash. Today we discuss part of Flash Animate CC. Now, how to use this and how to look like this software. This is Animate software. Now, in this software, look, this software is called Animate CC, and this is a software for creating uh, animate look like this. Now, this is the sound with the sound and without sound. Both features available in this software. This software for the purpose of learning and how to create animation. First, how to open animate software. Click on Start, goes to All Programs, choose uh, Adobe Animate CC. The open screen appears. Click on Action Script under Create a New section to open Animate document. Now, Workspace. Animate is a similar to the Paint software. It has most of the same tools that Paint use, except that these tools are mainly used for animation. The workspace is an arrangement of various animated elements such as the tool panel, library panel, property inspector, and stage. Now, look like figure number 4.2. This part is called 4.2. Now, a stage. A stage is a drawing board where we can create graphics, animation, and can make modifications too. It is a large white space that is presented at the center of the workspace. By default, the stage dimension is 550 into 400 pixels. Dimensions are 550 to 400 pixels. The gray area. The gray area surrounding the stage is called work area. Uh, this area can contain graphics element which can be moved to the stage as and when required. We can modify the view of the stage size by selecting the view zooms in view zoom out option as well. Now menu bar look like this part top of software. It is also called the menu bar situated on the top of software panel. This is also called control panel of software because it control button available on whole control button available on The menu bar, as like the animation software look like this: file menu, animate, file, edit, view, insert, modify, text, command, control, debug, when, window, help. Now look like this: create, new, open, and file menus, edit menus, view menus, insert menu, modify, text, comment, command, control, debug, window, and help. As like create a new, then coming to the point, the menu provides control over command function like opening, closing, and saving the document of a document. Some other feature like copying, pasting, calling up a specific panel and controlling over animate environment can be based under menu options. Now tools panels. The tool panels consist of various tools to draw, paint, select, and modify objects in the workspace. The tool panel is divided into four parts: tools, views, colors, and option buttons. Look like this. This is the tool panel dividing into four parts. Now the tool section. The tool panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select, and modify object in the workspace. The tools panels is divided into four parts: tools, views, colors, and options. The tools sections, it consists tools that are used for drawing, painting, and selecting object. The view section, it consists of tools for zooming and panning the application windows. The color section, it includes modifiers to select color for the shape you draw using a stroke and fill colors pickers. Two terms are new. First, a stroke and fill color. A stroke means forcefully colors fill on walls. As like in Holi, we long distance we used a pichkari for a stroke as like jhatka, chitka, and fill colors pickers we used as like a balti that wall color painting and brush tools. This used for filling a colors, pencil tools, brush tools, that are used for the color section commands. The option sections it display modifiers for the currently selected tools. Modifier affects the tools painting for editing options. Now timeline. Timeline is a rectangular window that is presented in the bottom of the stage. It is the area where one controls the sequencing and timing of graphics and other elements of a movies. The major component of timelines are layer, frames, and playhead. Now, playhead first. Now about playhead. Playhead is a tool that indicates uh, videos, movies, and animation, which part and how part moves, and which pictures and scenes are available on the screen. Playheads indicates the presence situation of videos, movies, animations, and it indicates the running stage of movies. Now, keyframes. Keyframe is a unit of timeline, and where, as we now, animation is the multiple image combination of multiple images, and whole image indicates the unit of image as like keyframes. Keyframes is the lot of frames, multiple of frames, and timelines is the rectangular window where we shows playheads, keyframes, timelines, and frames. And now about layer. Layer is a situation as like a wall painting. First we build bricks, cements, sands, masons, and our laborers works very hard to build our buildings and walls. And after bricks, sands, cement, that's do plaster. After plaster, the works paintings. First layer paintings as like putty, then wall paintings for protecting layers, and then with desired colors on the this layers is interact with each others users as like homes owners and walls interacting. The lot of layers indicate each others as like another examples pictures as like our great scientist APJ Abdul Kalam's Jahangir Homi Bhabha and Jagdish Chandra Basu. These Aryabhat, these are the scientists, Indian scientists that is the source of impression our child, which develops own interaction with our child psychologist and our child interact with these life's struggles and how to build scientists, how to build makeup doctors, engineers. These are the icons of as like our president, ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam is the role model of our low middle class families because he reached on higher position of India, president of India. When we pictures of our president Kalam Sahab, we first pictures then we used for frames for glass or plastic covers for protecting image. These are called layers. Layers are two types: transparent layers and non-transparent layers. When we see outside of layers is called transparent layer as like glass, plastics, thin polythenes, and non-transparent layers as like papers covered with our image for protecting dust, heat, rain, and so on. Now we discuss about frames. Frame is a unit of keyframes. Animation in are creating with the help of frames. Frame is defined as little rectangular cells that appears on the timeline. Every fifth frame display a number which you find on the top of the timelines, like films, animated documents, divides the length. After times in frames, the frame display content of movies at a specific moment of times. Now, keyframes. Keyframes are a special type of frames where we define some changes to an object, properties of an animation like position, colors, shape, and keyframes is presented by the solid black dot. We can easily change the length of twin, twinned animate animation by dragging our keyframes in the timelines. Now layers. Layers are like a transparent sheet stacked on the top of one another, each containing in different images that appears on the stage. When one a new animate document, it displays only one layer which contains its own timelines. With endless frames, we can add more layers to organize the artwork and animation in the document. We can draw and edit objects on one layer without affecting object one another layer. The active layer is indicated with the keyframes navigation control icons. navigation controller icons. In these icons, three tip points: increasing, decreasing, and push, as like image up, down, and present with sound increase, decrease, and no sound push conditions. Then playhead. A playhead indicates the current frame display on the stage. It is represented by a red that frame and a red vertical lines below in the timeline window. It moves from left to right on the timelines as the movies proceeded proceeds through the frames. The speed of the playhead movement based on the frames rate settings. Now, Properties Inspector. Properties Inspector is a panel that displays the properties of selected object as like text, symbols, animations, lines, or shapes. These are the object of animation videos. Look like when we saw a movie starting and ending, some text appears. Which person create movies? Which is the main roles actors? Which person is main role actress? Which persons directors, producers, and filmmakers want to display persons that are available in these main characters and backbone characters. Main character, actor, actress, villains, backbone characters, editors, producers, directors, dance directors, music composers, music directors. These are the backbones of movies, artists. The list of properties also varies in the property inspector. Depending on the object selected, you can make changes to the view object or documents attributes in the ob- properties inspectors. Now, today's we discuss lot of object, main characters, main features of animate CCs. Animate CC features for the purpose of animation creation. Now, this is the main window of Animate CC, and now we discuss about these topics. Animate CCs. Today's we discuss animation. This is the part of Flash software. Flash software created by Microsoft Adobe Systems. Adobe System is a company for pre-company is the Micromedia, and after purchase Adobe Systems, this is the part of Adobe Systems. And today we discuss menu bar, tool panel, libraries, properties inspectors, timeline, stage. This software learning for student class 7 lesson 4. Our child coronavirus stage lockdown 1 and 2 be in Bihar very critical condition spreading very quick stage. My child, you stay home and proper study for your own class education, class materials. Our school closed by Bihar government, Indian government. This is the critical condition for disease. This disease, no medicine invented. Invented. You stay home and do a study in home, stay home and safe home, safe life. Thank you. Now